Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what I did to create my Halloween costume. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to be notified of any future videos. So I'm cutting out the top right here, and this will be the skirt, front and back. I'm going to use this material for the bodice of the back because I am going to use elastic thread and do some shearing so it'll give me an easy dress to put on. Here is my elastic thread. I have some different colors. It doesn't really matter what color you use as long as it doesn't show through. So you want to use a color that closely matches your fabric that you are going to be sewing. So I am going to be using this pale pink along with this material. So let me show you how to wind this bobbin. You have to do it by hand, and I'm going to use white. And I'm replacing my bobbin cover. I'm turning this little piece of elastic thread, and I'm going to pull it through. Got caught on something. Pull it through gently here, and there you have it. So it's threaded through. I want these to be about a ½ inch spaced apart. So here's my needle. At the edge of this presser foot is exactly ½ inch. So that's exactly where I want it. I'm going to start all the way from the end, and I'm just going to get started. Do it again.